na Odun Ayo Adelere. Make una listen to the koko wey dey the tori. Court accepts Ahmed Gulak death certificate as evidence against Kanu. JAMB, waiting to know about 2025 UTME rescheduled examination. Na the tori gongo be this one. The Federal High Court Abuja, Nigeria capital, don adjourn the trial of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB group leader Nnamdi Kanu to 21st May 2025 to continue in defense. The trial of Nnamdi Kanu bin continue on Wednesday for court, where the prosecution present their second witness, Mr. BBB. During the proceedings, court admit the medical report and death certificate of former presidential aide Ahmed Gulak. The court admits these documents as evidence for the ongoing trial of Nnamdi Kanu, where they face charges related to terrorism. Justice James Omotosho, wey preside over the proceedings, allowed the prosecution witness wey dem identify as Mr. BBB to tender the documents. Him tender documents with no objection from the defense team wey Kanu Agabi-san, Chukwumama Chukwume-san, and Aloy Ejimako dey lead. The prosecution wey Adegboyega Awomolo-san dey lead present the documents wey include police report from Owerri, Imo State, southeastern Nigeria, wey link Gulak death to government wey dem suspect be a IPOB member. During the cross-examination, defense counsel Kanu Agabi challenged the credibility and completeness of the video statements wey dem bin obtain from Kanu when him bin dey DSS custody. Im tok say only the defendant and him team show for the video recording. The witness respond say na the procedure be that. Im confirm say na the full recording be that. Agabi raised the issue of how Kanu don overstay for detention and how im dey allegedly live a lonely life for detention. The witness still tok say im be ordinary investigator and im no dey responsible for the custody of Kanu or im welfare. Im tok say solitary confinement no be the practice of the DSS, no be me be handler. The defense still ask if the prolonged detention of Nnamdi Kanu dey legal, as im claim say na cruel and inhuman treatment im dey pass through. But the witness insist say im dey unaware of Kanu's psychological state and no be part of im investigative duty. The defense counsel continued the witness question. The witness say him be no dey among the people wey draft the charges and him no go fit confirm the date of different charges amendments wey dem do against the defendant. Oga Agabi say the charges dey speculative and the witness still tell dem about im limited role as ordinary investigator. Dem tell the court say despite plenty amendments wey dem bin don do for the charges sheet over several years, the investigating officer bin no confront Kanu with im accusers. The witness admit say dem be only present a letter from the Attorney General of the Federation AGF, but dem no facilitate any face-to-face encounter. Tensions rise when Agabi argue say the AGF bin direct an investigation long after dem file the charges. The witness say im be no dey aware of when dem bin file the charges. Im insist say im bin act only on the directive wey dem bin minutes to am. On request for critical documents, Agabi informed the court say the defense will apply for certain police records, but dem never received them yet. The prosecution counsel Omolo opposed the adjournment. As inside the court order for accelerated hearing, Justice Omotosho grant them short adjournment. The matter gets international and domestic interest. The judge talk as he warn against unnecessary delays. I dey inclined to grant the adjournment today to make sure say we hear the defense properly. Abeg use the opportunity where we dey here for justice. The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board JAMB say from 16th May 2025, dem go allow some 2025 UTME candidates to rewrite the exam after investigation show say error dey the exam wey lead to mass failure. For statement on Wednesday, JAMB say true, some kind thing dey wey affect the performance of students during the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME). JAMB Oga Professor Isha Koloyede apologize to the affected students and Nigerians in front of media people say im go take responsibility for the errors wey happen and promise say dem dey do everything to correct am. Wetin suppose be moment of joy don change due to one or two errors, Oloyede tok. The registrar announced say about 379,997 candidates for the just concluded JAMB go retake the UTME exam. These follow many complaints of technical glitches, low scores, and alleged inconsistency for the question and answer during the exam. He add say na the function of the exam body to admit errors sake of say dem sabi say in spite of their efforts dem no dey perfect, which states dey affected. JAMB say dem discover glitches for their system wey affect 157 exam centers inside their Lagos and Owerri exam zones. Under Lagos zone, 65 exam centers dey affected inside Lagos and Oyo State only. For Owerri Zone, 92 exam centers dey affected across Imo, Abia, Anambra and Ebonyi. Professor Oloyede say, from Friday 16 May 2025, the affected candidate go begin rewrite the exams. He add say, most of the exams go fall into Saturday and candidate go need to reprint their exam sleeves. According to him, the affected candidate go receive text messages to their registered phone numbers and emails to show them their exam date and where they go write down. Some go receive phone calls. Dem go need to reprint their exam slips to use go write the exam. Na so the professor talk. He explain say, e dey possible say the exam fit clash with the ongoing WAEC examination, but they don talk with the WAEC organizers to reduce such incidents from occurring. JAMB on Monday be announced say dem go review the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination results wey dem release recently. Before I go finish the tori for this night, make una lis ten to the koko wey dey the tori once again. Court accept Ahmed Gulak death certificate as evidence against Kanu. JAMB, wetin to know about 2025 PTME rescheduled examination? Thank you say una sit down lis ten to the news. My name na Odunwayo Adelere. Make una get good night rest.